These are the Ray-Ban Metas, and we picked them up maybe about 3 weeks ago, but I haven't been wearing them that much because I have prescription glasses that I normally wear, and I needed to get prescription on these. Now, these are the watermelon transitions, so that means in the sun, which maybe I can get some sun on these, and you can see, maybe not. Anyway, in the sun, they turn like a red color. I don't really like the red transition, if I'm being honest with you. But the main reason why I could deal with that, if anything, the main reason why I wanted to get a different set of lenses was because I wanted my prescription in these, okay? Now, if you go through Ray-Ban themselves, when you purchase your glasses, you can definitely get prescription, but it's pretty pricey. So I found another company that does it for you at a much reasonable price. And the company name is Lensology. All right. Now I know you can't see none of the branding on the box, but this is my prescription lens that just came in. See, it's turning kind of red with the sun. But these are my prescription glasses that finally came in, and we're going to install them. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install them. I'm on my way to work, so trying to whatever. Yeah, anyway, I'm all over the place, but I want to hurry up and get this done because I'm on my way to work and I'm just trying to get them installed. So as you can see, they're turning red with the sun, right? So really cool. And I like the frame too, because it's like a brownish frame. I can kind of wear these with anything. So also, if you didn't know, I got these from Meta's website. These are the refurbished ones. They do come with a 1-year warranty. So if you don't want to pay that big dollar for those transitions, I only paid $300 after taxes. So not too bad. So here's the certification of a transition lens right there. And here is the lens. It's in here. My prescription. Now, I think after taxes and everything, I paid $170 something, if I'm correct. I'm not sure, but I feel like it was like $170 something, maybe $200 flat after taxes, because they come from the UK and these shipped really fast. It didn't take long to make, so that was really cool. But the clear transition lenses I got were clear to dark gray, and I got like the best, not the best protection, but somewhat of the best protection on them. So I'm gonna pop these lenses out. I hear it's really easy to do. I am a little scared to do it, but hey, you gotta do it. So what you're supposed to do is pull it a little bit and then push. Yep, let's go on. And it sometimes will feel like it's gonna break, but you just push it out and there it is. So we got that lens out. Let's protect that one. I don't know which one that is. So it's not that one. It's this one. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna take our new lens, because I tried to use them with the standard clear that came with the Ray-Ban, but it was just impossible. Those things my eyes were hurting. So, and my prescription isn't very strong, but you know, I can definitely feel the difference. And then we just pop these in like so. I don't want to break it. I'm so nervous. Oh, I'm scared. I'm struggling a little bit, guys. Okay, we tried the front. I hear it coming from the inside. It's easier, so let's see. Okay. That was a little easy. A little bit. Oh, I don't want to break it, y'all. I'm scared. Okay, they're in. We got it. Got smudges everywhere, but they're in, okay? So then we do the same on this side. It is easier to pop it out, so I will say that. I'm already liking them. Ooh, these things look good. Now, the only thing I will miss on the other lenses is it has the Ray-Ban branding on them, but whatever. I mean, if you know what these are, you know what they are. So we're gonna try the front again. The front is not easier. It's not. Sorry if that's the actual rule, but the front doesn't seem easy. Okay, I'm supposed to be showing you guys. All right, and you push them. I don't want to. I'm so gentle with stuff. I don't want to break it, y'all. Okay, it's not easy, regardless of how you do it. I don't want to break these. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling, y'all. Sorry. Okay, I lied. Front is easier. Front is definitely easier, for sure. Okay, and now they are in. We're gonna clean them off, which I didn't bring my wipe. But the good thing is we have our Gucci wipe. I'm sweating. It's hot out here, y'all. Okay, wasn't too bad. Only thing I get afraid of when doing that is the actual frame itself. I don't want to crack that frame, so that's what makes it like scary to do. But we did good. We did good. Okay. All right. So now let's wipe these things down. I am so ashy. I need to keep some lotion at my desk. All right. We got our Gucci cleaning scarf. Just wipe this thing down really quick. Okay. Ooh, looking good, baby. I'm loving it. Looking good. Yeah, now these look much better. Much better. Much better. Love it. Love to see it. Okay. So now after being wiped, they're already kind of turning gray. Ooh, I can see out of those. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And these are the dark transitions. So these are cool. Oh yeah. I like these. I like these. This just turned it all the way up. Oh yeah, well, that's really it. So get yourself some Meta sunglasses. The finesse that I've seen is getting them from Meta and then just getting them from Meta and just you getting the refurbished ones. And you could just buy the sunglasses. You don't have to buy the transition lenses. You can buy just the standard sunglasses and then go over to Lensology and get your actual frames that you want. So that's what I would do personally. I wouldn't even bother getting the buying the transitions from Ray-Ban or Meta. I would just go to Meta, go to the refurbished section, get any of the sunglasses style that you like, and then do it like that. It'd be much easier for you. You can get better frame options like that, and it's cheaper. And then go to Lensology, put in your prescription. You got to have your prescription though, and be all right. So really cool. I can finally wear my Ray-Bans. I'm gonna wear these every day until they die. If you don't know, this is a charging case, so make sure you keep the case charged up. Other than that, I mean, you're good to go, man. That's it. We rocking and rolling. I'm gonna rock these all day. I did record some content with these on one of my trips that I just got back from, so I will show you guys what it looks like with them on or while recording on them. But camera's really, really nice. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. I will put a link to Lensology in the description box if you guys want to check them out. But that's really it. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Don't forget, once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $200. All right? Scoofy here, and I'm out.